Hello dear learners, saponins have a range of properties due to their extensive structural diversity which include certain features, bitter sweeteners, detergents and emulsifying properties in addition to the biological, medical and pharmacological properties such as hemolytic activity, antimicrobial insecticides. Also noteworthy are application in pharmaceutical industry as raw material for the synthesis of steroidal drugs such as birth control, besides the intense use in cosmetic industry. This module elicits the health benefits, perspectives of saponins and product development. Anti-hypercholesterolemic activity. Hypercholesteremia is a risk factor that contributes to development and progression of atherosclerosis and subsequent cardiovascular disease. There are several mechanisms which may reduce cholesterol levels. Formation of an insoluble complex where it is added to beta hydroxysteroid, thereby decreasing intestinal cholesterol absorption, producing an increase of sterol which are excreted along with feces. Absorption of bile acids in the diet of the fiber is increased in the presence of saponins because they form micelles with large molecular weight which prevent bile acids that are reabsorbed. Thereby, increase occurs in the liver through conversion of cholesterol into bile acid. Interaction with cells of intestinal mucosa promoting higher permeability of these cells and subsequent a rapid loss of cell function by increasing proliferation, promoting exfoliation and loss of this function. Thus, it contributes to further increase in excretion of cholesterol. The presence of sugar beta-1,4 connected enhances the absorption of soluble fiber and promote the reduction of fatty acid, resulting in a decrease of liver cholesterol. Let's now see cytotoxic and antitumor activity of saponins. The cytotoxic mechanism of saponins occurring via inhibition of DNA synthesis induces a reverse phenotype transformation into tumor cells. When the anti-tumor mechanism occurs through inhibition of vessels around the tumor, there is an increased inhibition of tumor growth. Inhibition of metastasis as well as immunostimulation and observed chemoprevention mechanism are important in anti-tumor compound, as almost all saponins induce apoptosis in tumor cells. They become preferred drug in treating cancer because they eliminate tumor cells with low side effects for the patients, avoiding mainly necrosis. The cytotoxic activity of saponins, especially those of ginseng and soy, was deeply investigated and reviewed. These molecules are effective against different cancer cell lines such as hepatocellular carcinoma cell line, fibrosarcoma cell line, cervical cancer, promomyelocytic leukemia cell and breast cancer. Antiviral activity. Some saponins may inhibit DNA synthesis of herpes simplex virus such as those with sapogenins of Olinian type, whereas sapogenin type ursin inhibit the synthesis of viral capsid protein of same virus. Other saponins may also inhibit virus type 2 polio through inhibition of the attack of virus to the host cell. Antidiabetic activity. There are several mechanisms by which saponin exert their effect. Among most important, we can mention the inhibition of adrenocorticotropin induced suppression of lipogenesis activated by insulin, which leads to their increased glycolytic activity, decreased glyconeogenesis and lipolysis synthesis, rRNA and mRNA, which act on metabolic regulation in diabetic rat. Action on central nervous system. Ginseng saponins have shown biomodulatorious effect on higher center of central nervous system, facilitating physical and mental activity. They also have anti-stress activities and effect on central neurotransmitter in hypobaric hypoxia. The result demonstrated that ginsenoside alter the effect of barbiturates and convulsant, suggesting that GABAergic neurotransmitter regulation may have important pharmacological action of ginsenosides. Let us now understand the toxic effect of saponins. Saponins generally considered as anti-nutritional factor, but they have their limited usage due to bitter taste. Hence, most of the earlier investigation on saponins processing targeted their removal to facilitate human consumption. But both food and non-food sources of saponins come into major focus in recent years due to mounting evidence of their health benefits, such as inhibition of glucose absorption, cholesterol reducing and anti-cancer properties. Saponins can be toxic if given intravenously. These compounds are known for their hemolytic activity on human erythrocytes, which depends on type of aglycon and sugar chain. This property is due to interaction with sterol present in erythrocyte membrane, which lead to an increase of membrane permeability and consequent loss of hemoglobin. These molecules also act as a fish poison, and some saponin containing plant are toxic for ruminants, leading to gastroenteritis, diarrhea and even liver and kidney degeneration. Let us now find out the application of saponins as commercial product. Natural surfactants. Because of their surface active properties, saponins are used as natural surfactants in cleaning product in personal care sectors such as foam bath, bath and shower detergents, shower gel, liquid soap, shampoo, hair conditioner, lotions, baby care product, mouthwash and toothpaste. Horse chestnut saponins have been applied in cosmetic preparation. Saponins and sapogenins are also formulated in bioactive ingredient in cosmetic market with the claims to delay aging process of skin. Quillaja terpenoid saponins prevent acne and sebum manifestation. Let's conclude, learners. Triterpenoid saponins are diverse group of bioactive compound possessing lot of biomedical and pharmaceutical importance. The various activities including antimicrobial, cell membrane, hemolytic and cell cytotoxicity are mainly due to hydrophobic aglycon moieties. Nature of sugar portion substitution at C28 position. Saponins hold a lot of nutraceutical importance as glycosidic linkage is easily cleaved and derivatives are easily absorbed by gut secretion. Based on the studies, it can be concluded that wide variety of applications of triterpenoid saponins could be attributed to biological and structural diversity with high clinical values.